In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Zapier automation in Jobber. By the end, you'll have Zapier connected to Jobber and be ready to generate an automation idea using email as an example. Make sure you're signed into both platforms so the connection is smooth. Start on the Zapier homepage. From the left-hand menu, open App Connections. This is where Zapier manages all the apps your account is authorized to use. Click Add Connection to begin linking Jobber. In the search bar that appears, type Jobber and select it from the results. Zapier will prompt you to authorize access, which lets Zapier securely read and send data to and from your Jobber account. Confirm the permissions, and if you manage multiple Jobber accounts, double-check you're connecting the correct workspace. Once authorized, choose Add Connection to finalize. You should now see Jobber listed among your connected apps, which means Zapier can use it in your workflows, also known as Zaps. Next, switch over to your Jobber dashboard. On the side panel, click Apps to open the Jobber Marketplace and Integration area. In the search field, type Zapier and select it when it appears. This page explains how Zapier works with Jobber and provides the configuration tools you'll use. Look for the connection section on this page. There's a search box here as well. Type Zapier again and click it to ensure Jobber is pointing to the correct Zapier connection you just created. This keeps everything aligned between both platforms, which helps avoid errors later when triggers or actions are running. Now, locate the section labeled, "What would you like automate?" In the prompt field, type email as an example, and click Generate. Jobber will suggest automation ideas that use email, such as sending an email when a new client is created or when a job is scheduled. Think of this as a starting point. It helps you visualize the flow without having to build it from scratch. From here, you can open the suggestion in Zapier to customize the trigger, refine the email content, add filters, and test before turning it on. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and confirm your account connection is selected correctly. That's it. You connected Jobber to Zapier, found the Zapier app inside Jobber, and generated an email-based automation idea you can tailor to your needs. If this was helpful and you want more clear, hands-on walkthroughs just like this, subscribe for more.